Hey amazing TFAA artists, let's make some artwork with lines. Black crayon or a Sharpie. You don't want to use a washable black marker because if you use that, when we paint it, it might get wet and it might bleed. So you want either a Sharpie that doesn't bleed or a black crayon. Both of those will work. The other thing you need is an 8.5 inch by 8.5 inch square piece of paper. So I'll show you how to make that really quick without even having to use a ruler. So if you take the corner of this paper, like right here, and fold it all the way up to the edge of this paper so that it kind of makes a triangle or a sail. And then you can fold that crease over and cut that extra piece of paper off. And that gives us our 8.5 by 8.5 inch square piece of paper. This one looks a little crooked, but you get what I'm saying. So that is the perfect size to fit on our Square One Art fundraiser paper. So if you want to add this picture to our fundraiser, then this is how you do it so that it fits, okay? Your parents can download the fundraiser paper if they want, or they can drop your artwork off at school for me to ship in if you want to participate in the fundraiser. I'd like to introduce you to my friend Larry. Larry's going to help us introduce you to some different kinds of lines today. So this is Larry the line snake. Larry is showing us how to make a straight horizontal line. Horizontal line is like the line in the horizon, like when you're at the beach and you look out at the ocean and you see the line where the sky meets the sea. That is your horizon, and that's your horizontal line. Okay, Larry's also going to show us how to make a vertical line. A vertical line is a line that goes up and down. He can also make a diagonal line. A diagonal line is a line that goes from side to side. He can also make some different kinds of lines, like a wavy line, and a zigzag line. He can even make a spiral, a line that goes around and around and makes a circle. Let's look at those lines one more time, Larry. Horizontal, vertical, diagonal, zigzag, wavy, and spiral. I like to say that a line is a dot that went for a walk. Make a line rug on it. So we're going to make a pattern using different kinds of lines. I'm going to show you some other lines on this paper that we didn't talk about with Larry, and then we'll do some of the lines that we did see with Larry. Okay, so I'm going to start with some that we didn't see. One line that we didn't see with our friend Larry is a dashed line. So I'm going to start my line rug at the top here with a dash. So a dash is a line that's broken up, that has space in between it. Next, I'm going to try a dotted line. A dotted line is just a line that's made from dots. After that, I'm going to think about some of those lines that Larry taught us, like maybe, a wavy line. After that, I think I might try a zigzag line. Next, I think I'm going to do a curly line. Make some curls in my line. And last, I'm going to do a straight horizontal line. So when you're all finished, you can have as many lines as you want. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can do more than that. You can repeat them. You can do smaller lines. You can do. Once you've drawn your lines, find a safe place to keep your line drawing for next week when we'll add color. See you next week, amazing artists.